Hello programmer, welcome back to our SQL tutorial series. So today I'm going to explore the group by clause in SQL. And first of all here I'm simply just definition create for the SQL group by clause. So the group by clause in SQL is used to group row that have the same value into the summary row. And it will be incredibly useful performing the aggregate function on the group by data. Okay. So first of all, here I'm use the grouping data by a single column. Okay. And first of all, here I'm just type this label, select and use the address. Okay. So define for the address column and now just type for the average salary. Okay. So define the perfect average salary as used for the AVG underscore. This is the salary column. And now just going for another line where I'm just type the from. This is the customers table. Okay. This is the customers table and use here. This is a group by clause and here I'm just define again. This is the address. So ADDRE address column. Okay. So now here I'm simply just create and first of all here I'm select and then execute now. Okay. So just execute and you can see here perfectly see the result. So first is the print for the address and the average salary. Okay. So you can see here perfectly understanding this output section. Okay. So I hope you perfectly understanding in this the complete output show for in the display. Okay. So here I'm completely create a single column. Okay. And next step here I'm create this is a use for the group by clause in the multiple columns. Okay. So here I'm using for the example just grouping the records of the customer table based on the customer address and age. Okay. So first of all here I'm define for address and also here I'm declare for the age column. Okay. And now here I'm use the sum function and then use the salary as a total salary. Okay. So now here I'm perfectly define the total salary from the customer table is grouped by address and the age column. Okay. So now we are completely create in this data query. Now I'm just going to select all in this data query and then execute now. And you can see here you perfectly see the output. So first is the print the address column and next print for the age column and lastly here print the total salary. So you can see here the perfectly this the total salary of address and the age column. Okay. So I hope you perfectly understanding this example. So next step here I'll just use the another example just finding out the highest salary for each age column. Okay. So here I'm remove this address column only used for the age column and here I'm just type this is the maximum salary as here I'm just change this and completely just type here this is the maximum salary from the customers table. Use a group by only the age. Okay. So we are perfectly created now and just select all and then execute and you can see here the perfectly print. So the age is 22 and the maximum salary is a 4,500. Okay. And here is this is a in this line this is the maximum salary for here 24 the age and here is the 10,000. Okay. So I hope your understanding is a completely done for in this example. And here I'm also used for the another example. So here I'm used the group by with order by clause. Okay. So now here I'm use the example finding the high salary for the age sorted by the high or to low. Okay. So here I'm use first the maximum and change for here I'm use the minimum function for the minimum salary. Okay. So define the minimum salary and going for here is a customer table and then next step and we are use for the group by for age And here I'm also use the order by clause for the minimum underscore this the salary, and it's create for here completely DESC descending order. Okay. So now here I'm just try the output for in the display. So first of all select in this data query, and now just execute, and you can see here completely see the results. So first is the print for the age and the minimum salary, and here is a create for is sorted by high to low. So high salary is 10,000, and the low for here is the two table combined for 8,500, then 4,500 and 2,000, 2,000, and the 50 is a 1,500. The result is the minimum salary. Okay. So I hope you understanding, and here is a completely I'm just try overview the group by class in SQL with some practical example. Okay. So I hope you perfectly understanding this session. So now just thank you for watching and happy querying. Okay.